Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to share some of the fall home decor that I have been finding. My kids are back in school, so I've been able to do a little bit of shopping, and I know a lot of you are probably thinking it's still August, it's super early, but a lot of things do sell out super early, so I'm going to show you some of my finds in case you want to go out and get them now too. The things that I'm sharing aren't necessarily like fall. You can use them in your home all year round. I just find myself drawn toward moodier colors, richer, more saturated browns, things like that. Wanting to put those colors in my home when the fall season comes around. So I'll start off with HomeGoods. I only got one thing from there, and that is this massive pumpkin. It's kind of like a resin material, so I want to use it outside of my front door. And what I really liked about it is the bottom has this piece right here, so it's supposed to sit like this versus like this, so it'll kind of stand up higher, and I think it's really nice. This one was $25, which I think is a pretty good price for a massive pumpkin of this size. Next is Maxx, but I also think you can get this product at HomeGoods. And that was this small little pumpkin here. The distressing on this is so pretty, and it's like a ceramic material, and I like the cute little stem. It's just a really nice fall piece that's not like bright orange. If you're into the more neutral colors and you want to add touches of fall to your home, things like this are a great way to do it because pumpkins are fall, right? But it's not like, boom, tons of color if that's not what you want. I also only grabbed one thing off of Amazon, and that was this pillow cover. I went ahead and put a pillow insert inside of it just so you could see how it looks. They have a lot of different colors in this online, and they also put these on sale quite a bit. But I got this brown color because I thought it would be really pretty for the fall to probably go on my sofas in the living room and look really nice, and I like the pattern on it too. The next product that I want to share with you guys is from the brand Italic, who is sponsoring today's video, and this is the Amelia Mirror 20-piece flatware set.
My silverware has been struggling lately, so I'm excited to upgrade to the Amelia set. I prefer my silverware and my dishes to be pretty simple, so I love the shape of this set. And it's made of the highest grade of 1810 stainless steel, so it's durable enough for both everyday use and also special occasions. It's gently milled and polished to achieve a scratch-resistant shine and durability to last thousands of washes, which is super important to me. Similar brands often price the same 20-piece set for 70 to 80% more than Italic, so you can get the luxury look for a more affordable price. If you guys want to check out the Amelia flatware set, click the link down in the description and use code Kelsey15 to get 15% off.
Okay, moving on to Target. The first few things that I got are from the Hearth and Hand collection, which I thought was really good for this fall season. And I grabbed this candle here. Hearth and Hand has the best candles in my opinion. I love the scents. I don't like pumpkin flavored things. I don't like the way it tastes. I don't like the way it smells. So I don't want a pumpkin candle to be smelling in my house. It's probably an unpopular opinion, but this one is smoked apple cider, and I really liked the texture on this little candle vessel here. You can use it for something else after you're done burning the candle. It would look really cute to use in another spot for decor. Next, I got these salt and pepper grinders. I thought these were really nice. I love copper. I wouldn't call it a dupe because they're not exactly the same or close enough, but they're a really good substitute for the ones you probably see on Instagram or YouTube that are way, way, way more expensive, like over $100, and these two together were less than $25. The last thing from Hearth and Hand that I want to talk about, now this is not new. I bought this last year, but they did release one this year very similar. It's this wreath for the front door, and I love the colors on it, the mixture of the kind of reds and purples. It looked really nice on my front door last year, and it's still in great shape. So I plan on using it again for this fall season because I still love it so much. Moving on to the Studio McGee fall collection. I showed you guys this in another haul. I got it early because I was worried it was gonna sell out. And this is this floral arrangement here. I liked the texture on the vase that it comes in here, and I really like the red purpley colors for fall. If you can't tell, I've been kind of drawn toward that in a lot of things that I've been buying. And it's really, really full. It looks really good on like a coffee table or something. And it was relatively inexpensive, $30 for this entire thing with the vase and all of these stems, which is a lot less expensive than a lot of the fall stems out there. And last from Target was this pillow from the Studio McGee line. I love plaid. I'm a sucker for it. I try not to put too much of it in my home, but I really liked this brown and cream. I thought it would look nice on my couches because my couches are kind of this cream color. The zipper's got like a gold accent and the little leather pulls. Also, I love that the covers are removable, so you can wash this if you need to. It feels really nice. The texture is really nice. And I think it was $25, which is kind of more than I like to spend on pillows, but I really loved this one. Moving on to Hobby Lobby, I definitely got the most stuff this year from Hobby Lobby. They killed it with their fall decor and you cannot beat their prices. They're so good. So first thing that I picked up, I actually picked up two of because the colors are slightly different. These were viral online. They don't even look different on camera, but I promise in real life they do. This one's kind of more orange. This one's a little bit more transparent. They're these large glass pumpkins that look really nice on your shelves. You can put a tea light in here if you want to light them up. Another pumpkin that I got was this white one. I was kind of into more like whimsical shapes and shapes of the stems this year. I thought this one was really nice. I like the white color. I like how it's distressed looking, and I think I could also use this one outside as well. It seems to be made of kind of that resin material. I got some bigger pumpkins, but I also need some smaller ones to kind of make a nice arrangement outside my front door. This would also look nice on your shelves on top of some books. It's just a cute little pumpkin for not very expensive. I also grabbed these candles in this burnt orange color. I really liked how they were fluted. I really like the detail on them. They're unscented, but I like the color, and I thought that they would look really nice next to each other on some shelves or on a coffee table and really bring in like a fall, warm, cozy vibes. If you're wanting one of the aged vessels that you see all over online that look vintage, that are crazy expensive, go to Hobby Lobby. These are in the floral section. They go half off, I think, every other week, and a lot of my pots and vessels I've gotten from there. So I grabbed this one. This one was half off, so I paid $13 for this. I love the detail on it. They make it look distressed and old, so I think this will look really nice with some stems for the fall. Now, some of the most popular things that I've gotten from Hobby Lobby that have gone viral online. So if you see these and you want them, they may not be there when you go back, so make sure to grab them. The first is this wicker vase here. This is $15 for this vase, and it's so nice. You can use it alone on some shelves, or also you could put some stems in the top of it. I'm thinking maybe on my kitchen table with some fall stems. Not 100% sure yet, but for the price, I thought I could definitely use this somewhere, and this can stay up all year long. I also got these faux hydrangea stems. I told you guys I was into like this red purpley color. So I got 4 of these, and they're so nice. They're dried looking. They look so realistic, and I thought that they would look good either in the black vessel that I got or the wicker one. These can be hard to find. I think I paid like $8 a stem for these, but they're so nice. I thought they were perfect for fall. The last thing from Hobby Lobby I think is the best deal and the hardest to find. I actually had to call my store, ask them when they're getting a shipment, and then call to see if it was in stock and have them set one aside for me. And by the time I got there, like an hour later, the rest of them were already sold out. And that is this Moody art print right here. This thing is $24, but it goes half off for $12. It looks so nice because it looks like distressed, looks vintage. This braided detail here on the frame is so nice. The mat to this is embossed. It's really high-end looking for $12. So you can use this in a gallery wall, anywhere you want to. This could stay up all year long. If I find another one of these, I'm definitely gonna grab it. So if you see it and you want it, definitely get it then. Okay, I wanted to include a few other things in this haul. If you thought I was crazy for getting all the fall stuff now, you're definitely gonna think I'm crazy for Christmas decor that I have been buying. Everyone has probably seen the viral Christmas tree from Home Depot last year. It was super hard to find. I wanted one, couldn't get one. And so I got an alert that they were available already this year. I ordered mine and I set it up to make sure that it worked. And it's so beautiful. It went out of stock again, but I think it's gonna keep coming back in stock. I'm gonna link it down below. You can sign up to have it alert you when it's back in stock, but it will sell out again for sure. So if you want it, go ahead and get it now, because by the time it gets closer to Christmas, it's gonna be gone. Another item that's definitely gonna be gone, we're moving back to Hobby Lobby now, are these velvet flocked ornaments. I got some of these last year, but I wasn't able to get as much as I want. Hobby Lobby has already put their Christmas stuff half off. The fall stuff is still 40% off, but the Christmas stuff is already half off. I'm not sure why, but I definitely wanted to take advantage of that. I got that, this color, and then also the white ones here. They've come out with a new color this year too, and that's this green color. I think it comes in 5 total colors. So I got this. These are the little bit bigger size, the large size, and it's 8 of them for $14, half off. 8 of these for $7. Those will 100% sell out long before Christmas. As well as this, it's velvet ribbon to go with the ornaments. I saw online a lot of people last year doing this, and it was really cute. Instead of using the little wire things to hang your ornaments, they use this velvet ribbon, and it comes in like all kind of different colors, and it's $8.99 for all of these, and then you can get the ribbon 40% off. It's in the sewing section. It's not part of Christmas. It was sold out last year. You couldn't get it online, couldn't get it in stores, so if you want it, go ahead and grab it now. Another thing that I got last year that I grabbed some more of that will also sell out are these bells. I got them in 2 different sizes. This big size here, it's $8 for this bell set here. Also, this little one here was $3. You can put these on garlands, on wreaths. They also sell individual sizes of the bells. I've got a few of those that look really good on coffee tables or shelves, and those are all 50% off, and they just look so much more high-end than they actually are, and will definitely sell out. When I was in Hobby Lobby last week, I've been looking for these products because I've seen online that they've started coming out in store. The first day that the Christmas stuff went 50% off online, all of this stuff sold out. And I don't know when it's gonna be back in stock, so when I saw it in stores, I blacked out. I don't know what happened. I left with tons of this stuff. The first is a garland. These are really popular online because of how thick they are, and they feel so real. They look so real. I love how thick these are. I got 2 of these. Now these are kind of expensive. Even at half off, they are $50 a piece. So I got 2 that I thought maybe I could use on my stairs because of how thick they are, kind of draping on either side of my stairs. But where I really went crazy is this next garland. This is a Norfolk pine garland. The A floral one is crazy expensive, and the Kirkland's one is less expensive but still pretty expensive. These are half off, making them, let's see, I can do math, $24 for each of these. For the 6-foot pieces, I got 6. I don't know what happened, but I just didn't want to not have them if I needed them. They are less expensive, but to get a fuller look, you will need to double them up, kind of like this. That's what I did on my mantle. They just drape so nicely, and they're so realistic looking. So yeah, somehow I ended up with 6 of those, but for the price that I got 6 of them for, I maybe could get like 1.5 of the more expensive ones. So I saved money, right? Is that girl math? And the last thing that I want to show you guys today, I think might be the hardest to find. So if you see it, get it. These Norfolk pine stems here. So again, online, the A floral stem, especially for this like 36-inch stem, it's like $28 or something per stem, and then you need 5, 6, 7 of them in an arrangement. I don't think so. Like, I'm gonna be buying Christmas presents, not stems. So Amazon has some versions that are less expensive, but the least expensive is definitely Hobby Lobby. This sold out the first day that it went on sale online for Christmas because these stems are $4.50 a piece. This is not in the Christmas section, it's in the floral section, but they still have all of their fall stuff out. So a lot of their Christmas stuff is put up high. And so I asked the lady, you know, have you seen that? And she was like, I'm not sure, let's check. And I was like, there, I think that's them. And she said, yeah, how many do you want? And I said, I'll take every one you have. So I walked out of the store with 12 of these because I wanted to use them in multiple places in my home. If you see these and you want them, make sure that you grab them because they're still out of stock online as far as I know. But if you really want them, ask someone if they have them in the back. That's kind of the hint to get the stuff that you want early, even if you might look a little crazy. So that's it for my haul. Again, I will link as much as I can down in the description. So if you wanna try anything or check your local stores to see if it's in stock where you are, because if you wait too long, this stuff is going to be gone. I learned my lesson with a lot of that last year. I'm going to be using all of this stuff minus the Christmas stuff. I'm gonna wait a little while for that in some fun videos that I've got coming up. So make sure that you're subscribed because you don't wanna miss them. And I will see you guys then. Bye.